Okay. All right. Well, thank you for embracing the journey with Desiree Galleo today. Today, if you guys are new to my channel, what I do is I like to help families create wealth for today and tomorrow. And the way that I do that is through life insurance and different financial products. And today, what I wanted to talk to you guys about was why do people hold off on getting life insurance? you know we make sure that we have life insurance for our house. We make sure, not life insurance, but we make sure we have insurance for our cars. We make sure we have insurance on our houses, on our boats, on our phones. But for some reason we do not have life insurance for what is most precious, and that's us. So today, that's what I wanted to talk to you guys about. And so I wanted to read a quote to you guys, okay? Because this makes a lot of sense, but I don't understand why people just do not get life insurance. This quote is: "It is a strange anomaly that men should be careful to insure their houses, their ships, their merchandise, and yet neglect to insure their lives. Surely the most important of all to their families, and more subject to loss." Benjamin Franklin. Benjamin Franklin said that. So he was a step ahead of us already than most people today in our society. So I wanted to talk to you guys a couple of things why I believe um, and people don't get life insurance is one, they just automatically assume it's too expensive. And if you know anything about life insurance, you've ever gotten quoted for life insurance, talk to somebody about life insurance. The new life insurance is a lot cheaper than most people think. And the great thing about life insurance is one, you have to be in the know. Okay. So the earlier that you get life insurance, it will be cheaper. And even if you are up in age, there are certain products that you can actually obtain that can be a little cheaper. So, what is great about life insurance now is you can fine tune it to your situation because everyone is in a different situation. Some households have two income households, some are single people, who only have one income. So there's different reasons and different ways that you have life insurance in regards to budgeting. So that's a misconception that it's too expensive because it's not. It's not, and you'll never know until you just get a consultation to know how much your life insurance is going to be. And it doesn't hurt to know, and you may find out that I'm going to go ahead and get it because it's like it's the amount of money that we spend on coffee, on fast food, and just different things that we can spend up a quick $100 like in no time, in hours sometimes. But we won't take that $100. Not to say your policy would be $100, because sometimes it's not even that expensive. But we will spend that in an hour, sometimes, and don't even know where it went, right? So, you know, we have to really prioritize what we are doing with our money. And it's going to take a little sacrifice for some households, but it's not as expensive as you think. The other thing I want to talk about is people hold off because they have some type of life insurance, but they don't have enough. you know People, there are, like I said, there are many different products, and there's different ways that we strategize to get these policies in place. For some people, there are ways that we can blend policies, and we can basically, maybe you only want a policy for 20 years or 30 years, like a mortgage. You just want to make sure that if something happens to my spouse, that I don't lose my house. So we can set up something that is timed correctly so that you're actually taken care of and you're not caught surprised and you end up losing your house. So there that is another way that you can basically make sure that you have enough coverage. But you can get different policies. You don't have to just stick to one specific policy. And then the other thing that people won't say a lot of times is, "Oh, I have it at work." I get that all the time, by the way. "Oh, I have that at work. I have that at work." And you say, "Okay, well, what do you have?" And they say, "Oh, I don't know." I don't know what I have. And so it's like, they just know that, when they got hired there, they offer that benefit package, and they don't even know what they have. Sometimes they have 401ks. They don't know what they have. They're like, how much you could, all I know is they contribute, and I don't even know how much it is. And you would be surprised of the amount of people that are in that situation, that they have life insurance and they don't even know what they have. And more times out of not, that's not really, more times out of none, I guess. They, it's not even, it's nothing. It's like $10,000 or it's $25,000. It's really, it's it's enough to probably cover your burial. It's not really that much, and it's not going to cover your debt that you leave. It's not going to cover, if you're a homeowner, So there's other reasons to make sure that you just pull that statement out and you take a look at it, and then you find out that it's nothing. You know what I mean? And the amount that you're paying for, yes, it's cheap, and your employer's giving it to you. But you could be taking that same amount of money that you could be contributing to that, and putting it in something that is really going to help help you get through, your family get through hard times if something happens to happen to you. And those are the couple things that I just wanted to talk to you about, why I believe people hold off on getting life insurance. There are many other reasons, but that's just a few that I wanted to point out. And if you are interested in getting a 15-minute consultation or connecting with me, in the description of this video, you will find, I left some links there that you guys can pick which one you want, and schedule that consultation with me. And there's other links in there too that you can just take a look at if you guys are interested. But life insurance, all I can say is it is something, it is a vehicle that helps to create value for your life and your family. And there's so many things that have changed with life insurance. It's not, I was just talking to someone the other day, and he was telling me, yeah, it's just, it just covers, your burial. I'm like, sir, no, it covers so much more than that. There's living benefits. You can get certain policies that protect you for a certain time limit. Life insurance nowadays, the new life insurance. So I should pose the question to you: if you have the older life insurance, you need to talk to someone. If not me, you talk to someone and find out what is the new life insurance, because you may find that what you're paying, one, is way more expensive than what you could be paying, because it is, those are the things that hold you back. Okay. And if you're interested in getting a consultation to find out where are you in obtaining that policy, because you have to be approved for life insurance, and it's cheaper the younger you are. The older you get, you're going to pay more life insurance. So I urge you, I press upon you today, get a quote, find out how much does it cost for me to get life insurance. One, because there are some policies that will help you while you're living, and there are some policies that will just be to help your beneficiaries, if you pass away. So there are different products, but you have to connect so that we can tell you what they are. So I do my very best on this channel to give you guys the information about these policies. I'm in the financial service industry, so I have a couple different things that I deal with. Debt cancellation. I deal with student loans. So I left all the links in the description for all that too. But if you are someone who definitely is curious and you want to find out, connect with me so that I can connect with you and we can get this going. It doesn't take much at all, and it only takes about a good 20 minutes, 15, 20 minutes to kind of go over what your situation is, where are you at, and then you can make a decision based on those results. So today, I thank you for jumping on Embracing the Journey with Desiree Galleo. And if you like this video today, make sure you share it, you subscribe to it, and I will be coming on here every Wednesday to give you new tips. Some of my quirkiness, but if you could deal with that, hey, you're good. So I will be posting another video next Wednesday, and every once in a while I do pop on live, but basically I do make sure I have a new video for you guys every Wednesday. So have a wonderful day, and know that it only takes one decision change your situation. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.